Aurotek teams up with Tongtai to showcase collaborative robot automation. At the Tongtai TTAC showroom, we demonstrate the seamless integration of the CR20A collaborative robot with CNC lathe. The CR20A collaborative robot features high payload capacity and precision, making it ideal for automated loading and unloading applications. With the ability to operate 24/7, the robot enhances production line stability while reducing manual intervention. Designed with a 20 kg payload capacity, the CR20A can efficiently handle a wide range of medium to large workpieces for automated loading and unloading. Aurotek has successfully developed this automation solution to enhance productivity and competitiveness. Moving forward, Aurotek will continue collaborating with Tongtai to deliver smarter and more efficient automation solutions. For more information on our automation solutions, feel free to contact Aurotek.